6-2 of 21. And what do we have before us? We have all of the options right here. And I want to show you something. These people on Tesla, first of all, here is where Tesla rallied. And it rallied on 519 all the way up to the highs here on 528. How about that at 635? Then we've had a 3-day pullback. But here you can see that arrow from that bottom to that arrow right there. And then you can see the daily candle is below it. It's outside of the breakout triangle. What do we call that? A beginning reversal. What do we call it? Let me tell you the major thing for Tesla lovers. TSLA is sitting on the 200-day moving average. Yeah. And you people that don't like to pay attention to moving averages or know how to use them, well, guess what? That's what this business is about. And, some people get ahead and some people don't. So we're sitting on two major moving averages. The 200 and the 50-day are both right there where it had the breakout bar right here on 524. When I look at that half bar value, that's about where the support is for that particular part of the breakout to the upside on Tesla. Now, from that low, that was a great buy at 545 on 519. You rallied all the way up. Now, there are a lot of short sellers in Tesla. And there's a lot of people that say that this car company will not be what it was in the days of its hype. Yeah, you heard me. The hype days. And let me give you an example about hype. Right here on the 650 calls that expire in 2 days, 25,000 contracts traded. So you can see the Tesla lovers right there. Not only that, you can see 16,000 contracts at the 640 calls. And they're going in big. Excuse me there. Here we have 25,000. We understand that. We have a 7,000 block of the 660s and they expire. We got 2,600 there. We got over 3,006 of those. And guess what? That is ridiculous. It is. That's gambling. That's wishing. This stock is not going to do what you see right here. And the 650 calls where Tesla closed at today, by the way, and the last print was 604 on 23.2 million shares, down $19.83 or minus 3.18%. And we can clearly see on the put side, you don't have that much volume on the put side because people don't understand how to buy this side of the market. They only think about this side. Everything has to go up every day. It doesn't work that way. Welcome to my world. You want to make a lot of money, you get into that free 5-day trial because if you don't take it today, you will never, ever advance with these kind of options and what will happen. Not only that, you won't know what the market makers do behind the scene. And you won't because they operate totally different than you as a retail trader. We can see the volume here. 9,000 contracts traded on the 617. That's in the, it's still below the market. 22,000 contracts here. 26,000 contracts as the 610 calls. Yes. 22,000 contracts as the $600 calls. Yes. They expire in 2 days. Yes. Is the risk high? Yes. The risk is high. But gamblers don't care. They'll risk it all. And how stupid that is, or let's say how not to be stupid. How not to be stupid. Okay. If we break below this triangle and we break below these key moving averages, that 50 and that 200, then Tesla can come all the way back down here. Yeah. So, one thing that we want to observe is we identify which way a market may or may not go. And that's what we do best. And that's why that free 5 day trial is just waiting on you. All you got to do is knock on the door and say hello. Once you do that, you're on your way.